Oh, someone's coming. Hello.
Here's the package.
Package? I didn't order anything from www.IwillShootYouInTheFace.com. Ah! Who are you?
I'm God.
How'd you get here?
I don't know.
Did you take the bus?
Yeah,
Every time.
I know. I'm gonna send you on a mission. And your first clue, look somewhere around an ocean. Here's your weapon.
Thanks! An ocean, an ocean, an ocean. Ocean. Hey, an ocean! And a clue. For your next clue, look where people poo. Another clue. Look behind you. There's probably a gangster there about to shoot you. Look over there. Oh.
Follow me.
Oh, wait a second. I have a sword. Oh, give me this sword if you let me go.
No.
Ah! I took care of him.
Yeah.
For my next hint, look where I have lint. Go downstairs.
You solved my mystery.
What did I do? Didn't you try to kill me?
That was only my twin brother. He owed me $40. But I thought you'd kill him, but it didn't work out too well.